Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing MBI. And again, taking a look at the Cardano subreddit forum or page, whatever you want to call it. And this stood out to me. I love diagrams. AADA Finance introduces multi-signature transactions using Nami wallet. Very interesting. I like diagrams, like seeing how things work, kind of blown out. I need someone to ELI5 this for me. I cannot get what's shown here. Really underrated project for sure. Way less marketing than Liquid or Cardano, but maybe they'll deliver before them. What is AADA? We've done a video on this project. It's a finance platform. They do loans. They mint those loans into an NFT on the blockchain, and kind of creates a secondary market for loans, which is really interesting. I don't really think anybody else in this space is doing anything like that. But the meat of this post is what I wanted to look at, was the multi-signature transaction. Somebody actually said that they don't know what the heck is going on in this picture. Can somebody explain it? All right, so step one, the transaction is built in the front end, usually a website. So boom, that happens there. Step two, the transaction is sent to the back end of that website. Does its thing, goes into the wallet. And step four, signs minting process with our policy. So AADA signs a minting with their policy. And then five, the buyer signs that transaction before it touches the blockchain, which is what this is. So multi-signature transaction is a feature that is the infrastructure, and then the thing interacting with that infrastructure, typically between the wallet and the blockchain. I'm not really sure like where AADA Finance fits in. Maybe they have created, a way, their process in a way that takes advantage of multi-signature, but they didn't invent multi-signature. They didn't create any of that. IOH K did that. I want to say it was like not even this current hard fork. It was like the one before this one, maybe the one before that even. Yeah, but these wallets, they just haven't been compatible because they didn't really have a reason to be compatible, because at the time there weren't any apps back then. So it's just one of those future planned things that Cardano has been, up to this point, so damn good at knowing what people will want, or what users would want, whether those users be the end users like yourself and myself, or a nation state, or a non-government entity, in a college, maybe I don't know, maybe a group of people. But multi-signature is pretty cool. It works similar to if you are married and you have a joint bank account and you need the other spouse's approval before transactions perform. This would be probably the best example that I could give you for how multi-signature works. The AADA Finance, they have a signature, a sign off, if you will, in step four, and the user, the bank account holder, has a sign off on step five. And before that hits the blockchain, step six, the transaction is executed and then on the blockchain. So it allows two people to interact with the contract. It's pretty cool. Kind of get confirmation before it's sent to the blockchain to be minted forever. So that's pretty cool. Security feature. Opens up the world for a lot of different cool features. So I look forward to that. AADA Finance definitely rang the bell. I don't think any other project is taking advantage of multi-sig that I know of. At least they're not advertising that they are. But I thought this was an interesting post. Wanted to bring it to you guys again. Thank you for checking out the channel. Hit that like, hit that share. Any questions, comments, drop them in the comment box, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.